Hi, my name is Edith, and in this video I'm going to show you how to request Google reviews. With the standard and premium plans, you can use the Google review tool to encourage clients to leave positive reviews after their appointments. Clients rate their experience from 1 to 10 and are guided to leave a Google review. Ratings from 1 to 6 equals 4, 7 to 8, good, 9 to 10, very good. All your clients will have an opportunity to leave a review with Google, as there is a link at the bottom of the page taking them directly to your Google My Business page to leave a review. For very good ratings, they will be directed to leave a feedback on your business Google profile directly. For other ratings, they will have an opportunity to leave you a feedback to you, as well as an opportunity to leave a review on Google. When the Google Reviews campaign is enabled, clients will be emailed 1 day after their appointment asking them to leave a review. If they have been emailed in the last 30 days, they will not be sent an email. To activate or deactivate Google Reviews, go to Communication and then to Google Reviews. Toggle the switch either on or off at the top right corner of your screen. Choose which practitioners will be participating by clicking on the drop-down menu next to Who Will Participate and selecting the practitioners that will partake in the Google review emails. To set up your Google My Business profile, type in your Google My Business profile URL in the respective field and then click on Save at the bottom of the page. And that's how you request Google reviews. If you have more questions, don't hesitate to reach out to support@clinicsense.com. Have a lovely day.